Namaste student. Here we have three problems related to trigonometry. All are important. One by one we're going to see here. Prove that tan square theta by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosec square theta by sec square theta minus cosec square theta equals to 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta. So let's do one by one. So here, to solve this type of problem, remember whatever problems related to class 10, you can solve each problem within a 7 step. If you are doing more than 7, that means you are going to in extended form, that means in a divergence form. मतलब आप अपने आंसर से दूर जा रहे हो, so try to keep your answer within a 7 step. Okay, if you'll skip your normal step, then within 7 you can complete. Okay, just you take the vital step, then you can complete within a 7. So here, how are you going to think how to solve this type of problem? So if you look at this one, this is your LHS side and this is your left hand side, right hand side. So if you look at here, right hand side, you can see that sin square theta minus cos square theta is there, and here it is in tan and here cosec and sec. That means our target to keep our answer in this form will keep our this in sin and cos form. So let's start. So take number 1, LHS. So what we have, that is tan square theta by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosec square theta by sec square theta minus cosec square theta. Now what we're going to do, we'll convert this part. Tan square can be tan theta. Since tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, that means tan square theta would be sin square theta by cosec square theta. By means divide form. So we'll take the bracket here. We'll get here sin square theta by cos square theta minus 1. And this one plus is where we'll write here plus cosec can be written as 1 by sin square theta. Why? Because cosec theta is 1 by sin, reciprocal of sin. Now this will be divide form. So we'll take the bracket here, 1 by cos square theta. Why? Because sec theta can be written as 1 by cos, then square can be written as cos square theta minus 1 by sin square theta. Now if you see this inside the bracket part, what we can do, we'll do LCM. So here keep it in a divide form right now. Just we do the LCM here. The 1 by 1 would be there, the cosec squared, not cosec, cos squared, and 1 LCM would be cos squared, and this will give you sin square theta minus cos square theta. And this side, if you see here, 1 by sin square theta, it will remain same, divide form, and take the LCM, you will get here cos square theta sin square theta, and this will be here cross multiplication, that is sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now change your divide. We know that divide from change into multiplication, and the reciprocal will get here. This means cos square theta will be in the numerator place, and this whole part, that is sin square theta minus cos square theta, in the denominator place. Okay, now this side, if you look at here, 1 by sin square theta, and into this part cos square theta minus sin square theta, not minus, into is there, this part is into, so we'll take it in numerator place, and this part will be in the denominator place, sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now we can see that cos square theta cancel, sin square cancel. We'll get here sin square theta by sin square theta minus cos square theta, and here if you look at here, cos square theta by sin square theta minus cos square theta, and here LCM of these two will give you sin square theta minus cos square theta. You can see that both are same here. We'll take here, and they will be in the same form, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta will give you 1. That means 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta, which is equals to your RHS, and hence proved. So we'll enter into the next problem, that is second one. So here, prove that 2 sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta minus 3 sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta plus 1 equals to 0. We need to show that this whole LHS, that is left hand side, is equals to 0. So how are you going to proceed here? So here we're going to change this part in an AQ plus PQ form, and we'll take the common, and let's see here, one by one step we'll proceed. So let's do here the second number. So we'll take here second number LHS, that is your 2 into sine 6 to the power theta plus cos 6 to the power theta minus 3 sine 4 to the power theta plus cos to the power 4 theta plus 1. And here we'll break it in this form. We can write here 2 and theta the whole cube. Okay, we'll use here curly bracket, and this can be written as cos square theta whole cube. And this, what we're going to do, we'll take here square. Okay, right now you keep it in the same form. Okay, no problem. We'll keep it. Or you can convert this one that. Okay, right now you leave it here, sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, in the first bracket only, no need to take in the second bracket. And here 1 can be written as sine square theta plus cos square theta. Yes, we can write this formula. Okay, now this AQ plus BQ, think this is your sine square is A and cos square is B, AQ plus BQ. Then what we can write here, A plus B into A square. So we'll use here A square, that is sine square theta whole square plus A square plus B square plus 2AB. Oh sorry, here be minus, not plus, minus 2AB. Okay, and this one minus 3 sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta and plus sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now this will give you 1. So here we get 1 into, here we can write, that is sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta minus 2, not 2, it's my mistake. Why? Because there is a formula AQ plus BQ. Just recapitulate it, A plus B, A square plus AB plus minus AB plus B square. This is the formula. So we'll use this one, so there will be no 2. Okay, little mistake, so we'll not take here 2 sine square theta. And here cos can be written as 1 minus sine square theta. Yes, we can write it. Okay, no problem, we'll take the bracket. Okay, and this will, you can break it or you can keep it right now. We'll break it in the next step. So here we keep our answer in this form only right now, and this also same. Or you can keep your 1 1 1, and later whenever we need we can break it in. Otherwise it will take lots of space and time also to write this whole thing. Otherwise you write here 1, no problem. Okay, now this 1 into this whole thing will give you whole thing, and then 2 will be multiplied with this. So directly we write 2 into this. So 2 sine to the power 4 theta plus 2 cos to the power 4 theta. This 2, now see here, sine square minus sine square theta into 1 minus sine square theta into 2 will give you minus 2 sine square theta minus minus plus sine square will give you sine to the power 4, and there is a 2, that means plus. Okay, so here we'll get sine 2 sine to the power 4 theta. Okay, so this part is over. Next, this one, break it. Minus 3 into sine to the power 4 will get here minus 3 sine to the power 4 theta minus plus will give you minus 3 cos to the power 4 theta, and this will remain same, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta. So here what we're going to do, we'll change this cos square theta in which from 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, we'll convert it now. So 2 sine to the power 4 theta plus 2 sine to the power 4 theta minus 3 sin to the power 4 theta. That means 2 plus 2 4, and 4 minus 3 will give you 1. That means sin to the power 4 theta will get here. Okay, now here you can see that this part, okay, somewhere there is a minus. Okay, leave it, no problem. Here where plus 2 cos to the power 4 theta minus 3 cos to the power 4 theta will give you minus cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, next plus sin square theta minus sin square theta will cancel each other, and what will get here, minus 2 to sin square theta, and there is a plus 1. Okay, so if you have a doubt, just go back and check it. Okay, now this, leave this part, take this one. This can be written as sin square theta to the power square cos square theta to the power square, and we'll keep it same, no problem right now. Now a square minus b square, that means a plus b, and a minus b. Okay, and minus 2 sin square theta plus 1. This sin square theta plus cos square theta give you 1 into sin square theta will remain same, minus will be here. Okay, take curly bracket. Why? Because this cos square can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Take the curly bracket, closed. 2 sin square theta plus 1. Next, 1 multiply with this give you the same result. So we'll take here sin square theta plus minus 1 minus give you plus sin square theta, and there is a 2 sin square theta plus 1. And now you can see that sin square theta will give you 2 sin square theta, and the plus 1 minus 1 cancel each other, and there's a minus 2 sin square theta, and this also cancel each other. We'll get here 0, which is equals to your RHS, and hence proved. Next we'll proceed the last one. Hey, the last one, related to this last one, I have given the 2 more problem. The concept will apply for this, you can apply for this also. Okay, so we'll see now. Very simple. Here we're going to use your linear concept with the trigonometry. So what we have, third number, so we have sin A plus B plus C equals to 1. Okay, and from this what we're going to get, sin A plus B plus C equals to, see here, whenever you see this part, trigonometry part, so whatever it will be there, we'll compare with that number only, but not number, that trigonometry part, trigonometry ratio. That means sine is there, so we'll take sine here only. So for what value of degree or what value of theta of sine give you 1? Yes, correct. Sine 90 degree will give you 1. So instead of 1 we can write here sine 90 degree. Now many students, what they do, they cancel like this. You cannot cancel like this because these are not a into part is there. It's not an into part, it's a whole thing. So here what we'll do, we'll not do anything, just we are comparing, and we'll write here sine match, and inside theta must be match, that means degree must be equal. So just we'll write here A plus B plus C equals to 90 degree. Please do not cancel it because totally meaningless. Okay, next, this is one part we are getting from here. You can take it number 1. Next, if you enter into this one, that is tan A minus B equals to 1 by root 3. So could you guess for what the value of tan theta will give you, your what value of angle tan theta will give you 1 by root 3? Yes, you are right, that is tan 30 degree will give you 1 by root 3. So here, from here we are getting A minus B equals to 30 degree. You can take it as number 2. Now the third equation, what we have, sec A plus C equals to 2. So could you guess? Yes, sec A plus C equals to sec how many? 60 degree. Also not 30, 60 degree. Why sir? Because cos 60 degree will give you half, and the reciprocal of sec is what? Cos only. That means it will give you 2 by 1, and we are getting a 2. So our result is this. That means A plus C equals to 60 degree. This is number 3. Now we will use this 3 equation to get our value, that is value of A, B and C. So from 1, you can see that from 1 and 3. So we'll apply here from 1 and 3. What you can see that A plus C will give you 60 degree. That means A plus C will give you 60, and there will be, and this side will get here 90. From 1 and 2 we are applying. That means B equals to your what? 90 minus 60 will give you 30 degree. Okay. Now if we'll take this one, substituting the value of B equals to 30 degree in equation 2. So what we get, you can see here that A minus B, that B is 30 degree, equals to what? 30 degree. And here you are getting this minus will go this side, will give you plus. That means A equals to 60 degree. Now from 1 again, if we'll enter into this one, so from 1, what you can see that A plus B plus C give you 90 degree, and we have A equals to 60 degree and B equals to 30 degree. We don't know the C. So can you guess what will be the value? Yes, that is 60 plus 30 will give you 90, and this 90 will go this side. That means C will be your 90 minus 90, that is 0 degree. So your required answer is A equals to 60 degree, B equals to 30 degree, and C equals to 0 degree. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.